Welcome to DJM TV.
Former President Obasanjo don tok say Peter Obi na the preferred candidate for Naija people.
My correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to DJM TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates wey we carry come for una.
Olusegun Obasanjo, wey be former president for Naija, don tok say e still prefer Peter Obi and believe say e go become Naija president one day. Say na Peter Obi Nigerians deserve. Im still tok about the President Tinubu and other politicians dem. My people, make I no talk too much, make I play una this video, make una watch this interview wey im do recently so and hear all wetin former president Olusegun Obasanjo talk for inside this one. Make una watch the video.
Phone me and say we should make Happy New Year. I say, Mr. President, I really appreciate it. What he has done or undone about Nigeria is on record. Even if you want to whitewash it, the amount of white paint that you will need to wash what is deeply black, and then you want to turn it to deeply white. It doesn't work that way.
When the newspaper reports came out of some of these were big acts that you did. And I'm just using an example when you went to the bomb blasts in Lagos. You visited, people didn't expect it. It was a gracious, big leadership act. And then when they began to attack you with questions, you answered by saying, I was not supposed to be here. People said that was lacking in empathy. When you look back, do you wish you hadn't said something?
I don't regret that.
Right.
Look, there's nothing in the Constitution that says where there's a blast I should go there.
Do you think you get enough credit for the revolutionary nature of the Oputa panel?
For me, it achieved to a large extent what we wanted it to achieve. And of course, one of the recommendations was that we should apologize to ourselves where we have hurt ourselves. But some people go on sanctimoniously, think that, oh yeah, they are perfect, they haven't done anything wrong. So if you do good and you get commendation from 10%, then you are doing as well as Jesus Christ has done for himself.
Right.
The God part, he said, those who are causing you, pray for them. If they slap you on the left, turn the right. I don't know if I will turn the right, I will probably walk away.
The charge of vindictiveness, what do you say to that? People have said it more than once. You know, Alami Eseka has said it, Ibori had said it.
Now, well, these people, let them give you chapter and verse.
President Bola Tinubu said when he was governor of Lagos State, he has said this many times, that you frustrated his attempts at revenue and actually inspired him to now begin to generate revenue internally, that you wanted to cripple Lagos State. And
no, that's absolute nonsense.
Right. No. But what do you say to that charge?
So is he that one that make him to have alpha beta? Huh?
Right. So on
the
chat,
you didn't answer that.
Yes, it's a question for him to answer.
Okay,
it's a question for President Tinubu to answer about alpha beta. Third term answered this a couple of times. Now, why don't people believe you when you say, when some people believe you, or many people believe you when you say you didn't want a third term? Why does it keep coming up, sir?
Why does it keep coming up when they even know that the amount of money spent for NEPA is not what Yaradua called it or what Buhari called it? If El-Rufai wants to look at our period in government from the role Ngozi played as Minister of Finance.
You've spoken a bit about character and integrity, yeah? And people, when they want to throw mud at you, say, but you, Seth, you too were corrupt. And then they talk about, ask questions like, how did he get the money to establish Bells University? How did he get the expanse of land for the Obasanjo complex?
Look,
how is he so wealthy?
Okay, go to Bells University. Let them see the account. I started as a secondary school. If you go there today, what the Parents Association have done in that university, you won't believe. Right. I went to school with some classmates, and when I decided I would join the army, some of my classmates said I've gone mad. And in a way, you could agree with them. And at that point in time, the army was not a glamorous place for anybody to go. At it,
yes, sir.
At the age of 38, you are still a baby.
This other one is your post-presidential life. You've had one of the most systematic, intimidating post-presidential lives. Did any of your successors impress you in any way? Any of them? Yaradua?
Oh, you see, again, that's the type of thing you people say. Hey, look, I don't have a hero except Jesus Christ.
Do you miss your ex-wife, Stella Obasanjo? Do you miss?
Yes. No, she was a wonderful woman. And to do the job that I had to do, the way I had to do it, I needed the peace of mind, the peace at home. He gave me that peace of mind and that peace at home. And that was very important.
It was very important. Why was Peter Obi so important to you? And seeing what you've seen, do you think that yourself and your comrades and colleagues in the military stepping into governance from the early 60s as you guys did, do you now believe that to have been an awful mistake?
For Nigeria that I believe we need to have at this point in time, Peter Obi is
still the man.
That's all.
And he has given me the interview of a lifetime.
So what suits people politically, they will say or do, not what they believe,
right, or
what they mean. So I don't go by what people say, I go by what people do.
You've lived through Nigeria's history, you've seen it all. You know, I envy your life, sir. If I lived half the life you've lived, it would be a great life indeed.
Hey, my people, not be sporty, no. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo really get mad, not be small. Now here we see talk of signing Peter Obi matter to say this stage in life for Naija, seeing a person like Peter Obi in Nigeria deserve. Anyway, the update will carry confidence like this be this. Make me drop on a comment and say a reason and make me not forget to like and share. When I do well, see you all in our next video. DJ